So I'm using acrylic medium worsted yarn and 4.5mm crochet hook. So we'll start with the base of the basket, which is a flat circle. The width or circumference you need for the basket depends on you, but here I'm gonna make a random number. We'll start with the slip knot, chain 2, 5 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join onto the first chain with a slip stitch, of course. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. Should have 10. And join onto the first chain. Third round, chain 1. Now to keep the circle flat, we're gonna start with a single crochet in a stitch. Means I'm gonna do 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 1 2 1 until the end of the round. Also check the written pattern to follow properly with the video if you're not sure on how to make a flat circle. It's always easier to follow the pattern and the video together. So we're finishing the round with 1 single crochet and join. Now the next round, again we're going to increase the single crochet. Means we're going to make 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So in the previous round it was 1 single crochet only. This round it is 1 single crochet in the 2 stitches. And it will keep increasing in every round. The next round will be 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and so on until you obtain the width you want of your circle. Here I'm gonna make like 6 rounds and then I'll turn it into the basket. So 1 2 3 4, 2 more rounds for me. I'll come back once I've done these 6 rounds. So I have done 6 rounds over here, and as you can see it's still small. This is only for the demonstration. In the written pattern you'll find how to make a medium and a big basket as well. Now what I'm gonna do throughout for the next 10 rounds here, I'm gonna make chain 1 single crochet in every stitch for 10 rounds only. So just 1 single crochet, so I can turn my work into a basket, just like this. And then I'll come back to show you the last step to make. So now I have completed 10 rounds, and at the end what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the hanging strap for the basket. So I'm gonna chain 10, and I'm gonna come here and slip stitch. So you can leave it as it is or make it big or smaller, or you can make it even stronger like I'm gonna do, and then come back here, turn, and I'm gonna slip stitch in every chain like so, just to make it more solid for hanging. And then I'm gonna fasten off and hide my thread, and this is how you get it thicker. And this is the hanging basket. You can hang it anywhere. This is a small one. I'll include in the pattern different sizes for medium and big, so you can choose whichever you want or adjust it the way you want. But basically this is an easy way to make a hanging basket, which is useful for anything in the kitchen, in the bathroom, anywhere you want, in the garden, whatever you like. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.